5 Interesting Facts About Android. 1. Google acquired Android in July 2005. Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, and Chris White co-founded Android Incorporated in 2003, with the goal of developing smarter mobile devices. Android is currently owned by Google. Looking back at the acquisition, it might be one of the best purchases the company has made, along with YouTube. Back in 2005, Google paid a meager $50 million for Android. 2. There are more than 3 billion active Android devices. Wondering how many Android devices there are in the world? About 2 billion devices were powered by Android in 2017. Roughly every 2 years since Google adds about 500 million Android-powered machines. The number currently sits at over 3 billion currently active units. For comparison, Apple recently announced that there are about 1 billion active iPhones in the world, which is 1/3 of the number of Android devices. 3. Samsung Galaxy A51 was the best-selling Android smartphone in 2020. Looking at the Android phone statistics, the Samsung Galaxy A51 accounted for 2.3% of the entire smartphone market share, while the Redmi 8 accounted for 1.9%. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus took third place with a 1.7% market share. 4. Samsung is the biggest manufacturer of Android smartphones in the world. As far as Android device stats are concerned, smartphone giants Apple and Huawei have recently challenged the global market dominance of Samsung, delivering 76.5 million devices, which account for a 22% share. Xiaomi is the world's second biggest Android smartphone manufacturer, selling nearly 49 million units in the first quarter of 2021. Oppo came in the third position, selling 37.6 million devices worldwide. 5. Over 2.5 billion people actively use the Android OS. With 5 billion active users spread over 190 countries, Android is the most popular operating system in the world. The number of Android users is rapidly increasing year by year. There were only 500 million Android users in 2012. But in just 11 years, Google was able to attract more than 2 billion users. Like the video and share it with your friends and family. Also subscribe to the channel for more facts-related videos.